Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions, and let's delve into the fascinating realm of infrastructure innovations. Engineers are at the forefront of transforming the way we conceive, construct, and manage the fundamental structures and systems that underpin modern society. One of the most exciting developments is the emergence of smart infrastructure. Picture cities where traffic lights adjust in real time to ease congestion, where energy grids automatically reroute power to minimize disruptions, and where buildings intelligently manage their own energy usage. These advancements, made possible by sensors, data analytics, and automation, are enhancing efficiency, sustainability, and safety in urban environments. Resilient infrastructure is also a key focus area, especially as we face the increasing impacts of climate change. Engineers are designing structures and systems to withstand extreme weather events, such as floods, storms, and earthquakes. By integrating resilient features like flood barriers, green spaces, and flexible building materials, communities can better withstand and recover from natural disasters, ensuring continuity of essential services and minimizing disruption. Furthermore, sustainability is a driving force behind many infrastructure innovations. Green infrastructure solutions, like permeable pavements, rain gardens, and green roofs, are being integrated into urban landscapes to manage stormwater runoff, improve air quality, and enhance biodiversity. Renewable energy technologies, such as solar panels and wind turbines, are also being incorporated into infrastructure projects to reduce carbon emissions and reliance on fossil fuels. These infrastructure innovations represent a collaborative effort between engineers, policymakers, and communities to create more livable, resilient, and sustainable cities. By embracing technology, resilience principles, and environmental stewardship, we can build infrastructure that meets the needs of today while safeguarding the future for generations to come. Stay tuned as we explore these exciting advancements further.